Have you ever wondered how YouTubers are able to make thousands of dollars a month with just a few videos? Because lately, I've been scrolling through many, and I mean many YouTube videos that reveal their earnings from YouTube, and some are unbelievable. This finance channel that was created just 1 month ago generates a consistent $300 to $400 a day, or $12,000 a month. Or this YouTube channel that made over $362,000 in its first year. Or this YouTube channel that receives between 300,000 to 400,000 daily views, resulting in earnings of up to $10,000 daily. But keep in mind that what I just showed you is just the revenue generated from YouTube AdSense alone, without considering the revenue from affiliate marketing and sponsorships. However, it's important to keep in mind that earnings depend heavily on your niche and how much advertisers are willing to pay to reach your audience. On average, the Making Money Online niche has a CPM of $13.52, which is the highest paying niche on YouTube. On the other end of the spectrum, the gaming niche has an average CPM of $1.40. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that these are just averages. There are sub-niches that can make significantly higher amounts for every 1,000 views. For example, affiliate marketing, which is a sub-niche of making money online, can average $22 for 1,000 views. So this brings me to my first topic, which is the highest paying niches on YouTube. The YouTube channel example that I shared earlier, which is making an insane revenue of $10,000 daily, is in the business building and finance space, both of which are extremely high paying niches. With that said, it's crucial to pick your niche carefully, as the niche is a big piece of the CPM, or how much advertisers are willing to pay. However, video length is also crucial as it allows for multiple ad placements. Audience demographics also influence the dollar amount, and the more the audience is capable of spending, the higher advertisers are willing to spend. Speaking of spending, there are 3 ways to go about creating a YouTube video for passive income. You can either spend time, money, or use a hybrid approach. For individuals that have a lot of time, it may make a lot of sense to spend a couple of bucks on an editing platform such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, and leverage YouTube as a free resource to start learning how to edit and create super engaging content. You can also use vidIQ, which is a tool that I use to come up with trending YouTube video topics and relevant keywords for my titles. Just type a keyword in the search bar, and the tool will show you its popularity and generate a list of relevant and popular topics that you can use for your video content. If you don't have a lot of time but have capital, then you might be able to automate using sources other than yourself. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have thousands of freelancers that have listings for all aspects of the video creation process, including voiceovers, thumbnail creation, video editing, and SEO optimization. However, it's essential to remember that you can do all of this on your own because no one will be able to tell your story the way you do. This leads me to my final approach, which is called the integrated approach. By continuously improving various skills over time and leveraging the expertise of specialists, you can create high-quality content that engages and retains viewers. The perennial question in the YouTube community is whether quality or quantity matters more for a successful channel. While it's true that it takes time and numerous videos for most channels to gain traction and catch the attention of the algorithm, this is mainly because content creators refine their craft and experiment with different formats and topics. Once a video resonates with viewers, it's usually because it's well crafted and compelling. In the end, it's the quality of your content that ultimately determines the success of your channel. The question remains, what constitutes a high-quality video that YouTube's algorithm favors? No one knows exactly how the algorithm works, but it's clear that the click-through rate, CTR, and average view percentage or relative retention are important factors. The click-through rate measures how many people click on your video, and having a compelling title and thumbnail certainly helps. However, viewers' enjoyment of your last video also affects the click-through rate, as people are more likely to click on videos from creators they trust to deliver high-quality content. Average view percentage or relative retention measures how long viewers tend to watch your videos, and ideally, you should aim for 70% retention before giving up on the algorithm. Ultimately, whatever you choose to create, make sure it's something you find interesting and enjoy doing. The most successful YouTube creators aren't experts in anything, but they have a passion and curiosity for the topics they share.